Local history focuses on the past events and experiences of small communities such as towns, cities, and neighborhoods. It highlights the unique cultures and perspective of people living in a specific place. Through local history, we gain a better understanding of others and ourselves. According to Haley in 2008, national history can be fully understood through the collective recording to local histories. These local stories reflect the real experiences of people and help complete the overall national narrative. Studying local history increases students' interest in history because it connects lessons to real life. For example, many students in Mindanao know national history but are unfamiliar with the history of their own community because it is not discussed in class.
Goals of local history. The goal of local history is to allow students to actively participate in historical research. Through gathering data, students develop community involvement, collaboration, commitment, and critical thinking skills. Interpretation in history. Interpretation in history refers to forming conclusions based on evidence. For example, two eyewitnesses of a car accident may describe the event differently. This shows that history can have different perspectives. Primary sources in local history. Primary sources are direct links to historical events or people. This includes diaries, letters, journals, folklore, and eyewitness accounts. They allow historians to analyze events based on original evidence. Using primary sources. To use primary sources properly, students must identify who wrote the document, its purpose, and the time and place it was created. They must also consider possible biases to ensure accurate interpretation. Why local history matter? Local history matter because it gives new perspective on event and highlights the experience of ordinary people. It helps explain to how small event contribute to major historical developments. Local history teaches about community. For example, Cotabato City comes from the words Cotabato and Cotabato meaning city of stone. The statement began as early as 1475 and developed under Sultan Dipatuan Kudarat. Knowing this history helps people feel connected to their community. History is all around you. History is found in our surroundings as old building, landmarks, and local record. We do not need to travel far to learn history because it already exists in our own community.
Local history is important in Philippine history because many events in Visayas and Mindanao are often ignored. Studying local history helps preserve cultural diversity and reduces regional bias. National history is made up of local histories. No town exists independently of the nation. Understanding local origins helps build a stronger national identity. In conclusion, local history brings us closer to our hometown, strengthens our identity, and complete Philippine history. It encourages participation from local historians and communities.